Hello and welcome to Wild Boar Off-Road's instructional video on our 4-door Fastback T-Top. Let's get started. To start the installation on your top, first pull down on the plastic cover that is directly above the visor. Depending upon the year of your Jeep Wrangler, you will either remove the center hook by drilling out the rivets or by unscrewing the bolts. Lift your top and place it on your Jeep so that it sits properly on top of the rear railing and the factory rubber boots near the door frame. Make sure to confirm that the top is resting properly on top of the front factory windshield seal. Push the top as far forward as possible to avoid any overhang and to allow the top to nestle into the corner boots of the rear passenger door frame. Once properly aligned, begin to install and hand tighten all 6 bolts located around the rear rail. Next, install the front anchor bracket by placing the long end behind the rubber. Tighten down with the knobs. While the vehicle doors are open, place the panels on the Jeep, making sure that they align and sit correctly on the B-pillar seals as well as the front corner boots on the windshield corners. It is very important to make sure when placing the top on the Jeep that the boot is not pinched in any way. The top must nestle into the front corner boot before continuing. Confirm that the center seal on the top is not folded inwards or is at an angle. This can cause premature breakage and waterproofing. Next, take 2 of the shorter bolts included with the top and remove the nut and bottom washer. Leaving the rubber washer and the top washer on, place 1 bolt near the front as seen here. Make sure to place the washer first, followed by the bolt. Repeat the same for the end of the panel where the other hole is located. Once all the bolts are in place, tighten down the front outer bolt using a 7/32 Allen key and a 14mm wrench. Next, use the knobs provided with the T-Top to tighten down the front inner corners of the panel, starting with the rear passenger knob. It is recommended to use the handles to pull down on the panel as the panel is being tightened. Next, tighten down the front inner knob. Tighten down the rear outer bolt and the center knob on the inside. Repeat this for the other side. Now using a 1/2-inch wrench or socket, tighten down the T-Top. Close the rear door and confirm that the top aligns correctly with the vehicle. Make sure not to over-tighten. For best results, tighten 1 bolt per side at a time until a snug fit is achieved. And there you have it. Thanks for purchasing from Wild Boar Off-Road. We hope to hear back from you real soon.